Imagine a busy morning in the city. People rush to work, stressed about deadlines, bills, and bosses. But in the corner of a coffee shop sits a man, calm and smiling, sipping his latte. He isn't worried about money because he achieved financial freedom in just 8 years. No lottery, no inheritance, no miracle, just a plan. He realized money isn't for showing off. It's for buying time, freedom, and peace of mind. By living below his means, investing consistently and staying disciplined, he built a life where his money works for him. This video will show you exactly how he did it, step by step, so you can escape the rat race too. Imagine yourself in his place. No alarm clocks, no financial stress, just freedom. That's the power of this plan. Financial freedom isn't about being rich. It's about living without financial stress. It means your investments generate enough income to cover your lifestyle. Think of it as building a machine that works for you, even while you sleep. Most people trade time for money, but the wealthy flip the equation. They make money work for them. The plan we'll explore today is designed to help you reach that point in 8 years. It requires discipline, but it's not complicated. You don't need a PhD in finance or $1 million salary. What you need is clarity, consistency, and the courage to start. Whiteboard animation here could show a treadmill labeled Rat Race and a ladder labeled Financial Freedom, with a stick figure climbing steadily upward. The message is clear. Freedom isn't about luck. It's about building a system that pays you so you can live life on your own terms. The first step is controlling expenses. Most people spend without tracking, but freedom requires intentionality. The rule is simple. Live below your means instead of the classic 50-30-20 budgeting rule. This plan pushes harder. Save and invest at least 40 to 50% of your income. Yes, it sounds extreme, but remember, it's temporary. By tightening your belt now, you accelerate your escape. Imagine a stick figure splitting a paycheck. Half goes into investments, half covers essentials. The animation could show a piggy bank growing larger while unnecessary expenses, like luxury cars or overpriced gadgets, fade away. This sacrifice is the foundation of the 8-year plan. Every dollar saved is a soldier fighting for your freedom. The more you save, the faster you break free. It's not about deprivation. It's about trading short-term comfort for long-term independence. Think of it as planting seeds today to harvest freedom tomorrow. Here's where the magic happens. Compound interest. When you invest consistently, your money grows exponentially. Think of it like planting seeds. At first, the growth seems slow, but over time, the forest becomes unstoppable. If you invest $1,000 monthly with an average return of 10%, in 8 years, you'll have nearly $150,000. And that's just the beginning. The whiteboard could show a snowball rolling down a hill, growing larger with each turn. The key is consistency. Never skip contributions, even when tempted. Compound interest rewards patience, and it's the engine behind financial freedom. The earlier you start, the more powerful it becomes. Missing even a year can cost you thousands in future growth. That's why discipline matters. Think of compound interest as your silent partner, working day and night, multiplying your money while you sleep. It's not magic, it's math, and it's the reason ordinary people can achieve extraordinary results. Not all investments are equal. The plan focuses on index funds and ETFs, which are diversified, low cost, and historically reliable. Instead of gambling on individual stocks, you buy the market itself. This reduces risk and ensures steady growth. The animation could show a basket labeled ETF holding many fruits, stocks, compared to a single fragile apple, individual stock. The message: don't put all your eggs in one basket. By sticking to broad market funds, you harness the power of the economy without needing to predict winners. Over time, these funds compound steadily, giving you peace of mind. The beauty of ETFs is simplicity. You don't need to be a stock-picking genius. You just need to stay consistent. This is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth, by trusting the system, not chasing shortcuts. Your portfolio becomes a garden, growing quietly in the background while you focus on life. Let's break down the timeline. Year 1 to 2, build discipline and cut expenses. Year 3 to 5, aggressively invest. watching your portfolio grow. Year 6 to 8, reinvest profits, and your passive income begins to cover essentials. By the end of year 8, you're no longer dependent on a paycheck. The animation could show a calendar flipping pages with milestones like first $10,000 invested, portfolio hits $50,000, and finally financial freedom achieved. This visual journey keeps viewers motivated, showing that each year brings tangible progress. The timeline isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. Even if you stumble, the plan works as long as you keep moving forward. Think of it as climbing a mountain. Each step feels small, but eventually you reach the summit. And at the top, the view is breathtaking. Freedom, peace, and control over your life. Many fail because they chase shortcuts, risky trades, get-rich-quick schemes, or lifestyle inflation. The plan warns against these traps. Stick figures could show someone falling into a pit labeled debt or speculation, while another walks steadily on a bridge labeled discipline. The lesson? Slow and steady wins. Avoid emotional decisions. Don't panic during market dips. And remember, the goal is freedom, not flashy wealth. This scene reinforces resilience and patience. The market will rise and fall, but your discipline must remain constant. The biggest danger isn't the market, it's your own behavior. If you stay focused, ignore noise, and keep investing, you'll reach freedom. The pitfall of lifestyle inflation, spending more as you earn more, is especially dangerous. Resist it, and you'll accelerate your journey. The bridge of discipline always leads to freedom. Financial freedom isn't just numbers, it's mindset. You must shift from consumer to investor, from spender to builder. The animation could show two brains, one filled with shopping carts, the other with growing trees. The story emphasizes delayed gratification, saying no today to say yes tomorrow. This psychological shift is what separates those who succeed from those who stay trapped. By mastering your emotions, you master your money. The truth is, money is emotional. It tempts, it scares, it excites. But freedom requires calm, discipline, and vision. Think of your money as seeds. Plant them, nurture them, and resist the urge to eat them too soon. Over time, they grow into a forest of freedom. The psychology of money is simple. Control yourself, and you control your future. Beyond ETFs, consider additional passive income, rental properties, digital products, or dividend stocks. Each stream adds resilience. The animation could show multiple rivers flowing into a lake labeled financial freedom. The idea is diversification, not relying on a single source. This scene inspires viewers to think creatively about income, reinforcing that freedom isn't just about cutting costs, but also about expanding opportunities. Passive income is the ultimate goal, money flowing in without constant effort. Whether it's royalties, rents, or dividends, these streams create security. The more streams you build, the stronger your freedom becomes. Think of it as building multiple bridges to the same destination. Even if one breaks, the others carry you forward. Passive income is the safety net that ensures your freedom lasts. The video closes with a powerful image. The same man from scene 1, now traveling, spending time with family, and living stress-free. The message: financial freedom is possible in 8 years if you commit today. The animation could show a stick figure unlocking a door labeled freedom, stepping into a bright landscape. The final call to action: start now, stay consistent, and remember, the earlier you begin, the sooner you escape the rat race. Imagine waking up without an alarm, choosing how to spend your day, and living life on your own terms. That's not a dream, it's a choice. The choice to follow this plan, to stay disciplined, and to believe in your future financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky. It's built by the persistent. And if you start today, in 8 years,